Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Prince J, big up yourself. Everybody come on the live right now. If you watch the playback, hit the like button. If you just a come on, hit the like button. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nobody not there yet. Paper 2 tomorrow. Shillings. Shillings, shillings, shillings. Shillings, shillings, shillings. Paper 2, C-sec, man. Let's go, guys. Let's go. As I come on, just hit the like button. Ready for it, guys. Ready for it. Only say 12 o'clock tonight. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Big up Cassandra right away. Let's go, let's go. When you're ready, guys. Nima, are you ready? Let's go. I could go on do some work till the others come now. Try this one. Look, I know so how thing I go on film right now. But at the end of the day, we still have to do what we have to do. Expand that one, guys. The others will join. Because we're not left, so the others will join. Let's go. What's the answer for that, guys? I want guys, they can share the live. Because I know people probably watch all the other one. I want them come on the live right now. Even though it's beneficial to both. Because 600 people up on the video now. What's the answer for that, guys? Let's expand. We're going to do some factorization. We're going to do some trigonometry. We're going to touch some matrices. We're going to touch some vectors. We're going to touch everything. Don't know, Mr. anything. Another different. We are putting the energy. And if possible, we are putting some more work tomorrow morning again. Alright guys, let me run through this. Make sure say everybody just knows say yeah, you have the energy. Have the energy if it's go through. So when it is a hard worker, not many people can keep up. But keep up to that guys, alright? So I want to get a 1. Alright, so we have 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3x plus 6. And that means we're going to expand and we're going to multiply each term by what's in the second bracket, which is 3x minus 6. As usual, it color code for simplification. Big up to everybody who reach out to me. Everybody across the Caribbean. Thanks for the love. Thanks for everything. I appreciate you all guys, alright? Big up to my teacher, them want to share my videos. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Just stay humble and go and put in the work. Alright. So we're going to expand, so we multiply each term by 2. This is a very popular topic. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x, x squared. 2x times 6 gives us 12x. And we have negative 5 times 3, which is negative 15x. Then we have negative 5 times 6, which is negative 30. This is the only like terms. So what we do is say 6x squared minus 30. These two are not gonna change, but these two will change. So we have minus and minus, so both, we have minus, and then that will give us 27x, and that would be our answer. You get your 3 or your 2 marks, and you move along. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You guys try this one. As I say, big up Cassandra. Same time. Expand this one, guys, fast. We have touched all of the syllabus today. Let's go. The front part, guys, is kind of more critical. I know a lot of you are worried about the matrices and vectors, but if you look at it, that carry the less marks. So ensure so you ace all of them something here. The algebra, the fraction, the decimal, the standard form, all of those. Ensure you ace it, guys. You have to ace it. Because it's 90 marks compared to 30 marks. The 90 marks is much more. It's 3 times what's thrown the something there. So from 1 to 8, yeah, that's critical. Big up Ashley and Toshel. What's the answer, guys? What's the answer? Let's go. Energy, 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 energy. Big up for everybody who watched my video earlier. Big up for everybody who watch it right now. Big up for everybody who watch it playback. Big up. All St. Mary's College. All of Jamaica. The whole of Trinidad and Tobago. Guyana. Dominica. Grenada. Everywhere. St. Lucia. Bahamas. Cayman. You know we got this lock. What's the answer, guys? What's the answer? Guys, I'm not sure to the teacher yet. The teacher needs to know what I go on so them can share it to the other one. Big up person, Trinidad and Tobago. Land of chicken curry. Big up Alicia, Susan. Yeah man, thanks guys, thanks. We're gonna lock down in here tonight. Taylor, big up yourself. Which country are you guys watching from? Alright, 30 seconds to solution. Let's go guys. Push yourself, alright? Oh, Guyana. And that, you're Cookie, right? Cookie. Oh, Nima said China. Big up. Yung Zhang, Fung Zhang, Veng Wang. Veng Wang, Veng. Big up Neymar. Xing, Shang, Zheng, Veng. Alright guys, let's go. We are going to touch everything tonight, Just stay up guys, just stay up with me so you can get your one. So we have 4x and we are going to multiply that by 6x minus 1. Remember, it's the last bracket we're multiplying by, right? So it's this times all of this. And then we do the same thing, which is plus 5 multiplied by all of this. 6x minus 1. So we multiply 4 times 6, that's 24x squared. And 4x times negative 1, a positive times a negative, that's negative, so that gives us 4x. We're going to use the 5 now. So 5 times 6x, 5, 6, 30, and we'll put back with x. Notice this is the only like term there, right? And then we multiply positive 5 times negative. A positive times a negative, that gives us negative. And then 1 times that, 5. Alright, so we end up with 24x squared minus 5. The only thing is going to change is the middle term. And we have negative and a positive. Once you have a negative and a positive, you have to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. Now 30 is bigger and it's positive, so it's going to be positive. And 4 from that leave 26. And that would be your answer. Alright, big up everybody. Thanks for joining. Sorry about the Zoom class, guys. So much people there already. Big up, man. Sorry about the Zoom class that I didn't get to teach today. But you know a thing already. So I'm going to make up for this right now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What them did there when we locked down this 2 years ago? What them did there? And guys, I want you guys to try the questions, alright? These are past papers. Let's go, guys. What's the value of x right there? Let's go, let's go. Big up to all the mathematicians across the Caribbean. Tomorrow is our time to shine, guys. No need to nervous. People are calling me and I panic and I fret. There is no need to fret. You have this luck. You only need to know your fraction, your standard form, your decimal, all of them things there. Perimeter, area, your algebra, functions. You know about your graph. I'm going to hit the like button now, guys, man. That give me energy, you know. Energy, energy, energy. Let's go, let's go. We have an exam for pass tomorrow. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Somebody said do back over the expansion. Alright, we can do one after this thing, alright? Let's go, guys. Energy night, guys. We have to master everything tonight. We are recall everything, alright? Big up everybody when me teach. Big up everybody when me soon teach. Big up everybody across the world. Alright, guys. So this is a C-Sec past paper and this says solve for x. So they want us to find the value of x. You don't have to fret, guys. Just calm down, man. You guys got this. Don't worry. Alright, so we're going to expand the bracket by multiplying both terms by 2. So it's 2 times x. That's 2x. 2 times negative 5. That's negative 10. Put the equal sign. Because remember, that I separate left hand side from the right hand side, right? So if you have back the equal sign, 4 times x, that is 4x. And 4 times 8, positive 32. Now if you look closely, we have x on the left, x on the right, numbers on the left, numbers on the right. Our objective is to get all the x together. Alright, this is already 4x. So I'm thinking I will carry this 4x with this 2x. That means I'm going to carry this 32 with this negative 10. So I could do it step by step, alright? So everybody can understand. So we're grouping them, right? Since this is over here, so I'm going to carry it to the right. Why? To keep x positive. I think it's much easier to work when x is positive. So since this is positive 2x, we're going to subtract 2x from this side, which I'm going to get 4x minus 2x plus the 32 same way, right? And we have minus 10 over here. We still have a problem because we need to get rid of this plus 32. Remember, we need to get the x by itself, right? So we cannot have this plus 32, but we must take the inverse or the opposite. So it's plus 32. What's the opposite of plus 32? Somebody type that in the comment section for me. What's the inverse of plus 32? May I see 21? Alright. So what we do, we subtract 32 from this side. But remember, it's an equation. So anything you do to one side, you have to do to the next side. So because you subtract 32, we're going to subtract 32 from this side also. So see, we have it now. We can now say 4x minus 2x, which is 2x. And both of them are negative. Guys, just when you have both of them negative like this, you have to add them, alright? The only time it becomes plus, the only time we add plus is when both sides are together. So if they are negative 10 minus 32, we're going to put a minus and we add them. So that gives us 42. Now I did see 21, however, I did not see negative 21. So we're going to divide by 2 now. A positive divide by a negative. So that gives us negative 21. So guys, you don't want to be giving away your marks tomorrow at all. Alright? You don't want to be giving away your marks. So if it's negative, you ensure that you put the negative. Alright? Yeah, at one. Can better Trinidad. Big up. Good job. Alright? Let's see if you guys can match up one, guys. We need to take down that. Practice your practice, you know, guys. Practice makes perfect. Let's go. Stop worrying about the more complex ones, and shell down the more simpler ones. Let's go. This one says solve for y. Try that one, guys. 3 bracket y minus 1 equal to 2 bracket y plus 4. Let's go. Big up everyone from across the Caribbean. Big up everybody. What's the answer, guys? What's the answer? Let's go. Big up everybody on the live. Y equal 5. Oh, Africa. Big up from Africa. Land of my birth. You guys can factorize. Factorize by grouping. Factor method. All of those. You guys can do all of those. Y equals 7. Oh, St. Lucia. Big up from St. Lucia. Anywhere at all in the world, India, Pakistan, New Zealand, Australia, down under, big up. No flood from Jamaica. May I see 11, Guyana. Yeah man, Guyana give me enough support. Yeah man, gotta help you, what that, mommy. Trinidad, yeah man, big up Josie, Josiah, big up, y equal 11. I'm going to run it now, guys. Let's go and see what it is. So we know, so we're supposed to expand the bracket. So it's 3 times y, which is 3y, and then 3 times negative 1, which is minus 3. So we don't need that bracket there. Put the equal sign because that separates the left from the right. Now we're going to be using 2, so it's going to be 2 times y, which is 2y, and 2 4 is 8. So see, we can group now, right? Because we have 3y minus 3 over here, and we have 2y plus 8. So what we need to do is to bring all the y terms together. The equal sign separates them, all right? So because of that, we're going to take the inverse of minus 2y. So we're going to subtract 2y. Anything you do to one side, you do to the next side. According to CSEC, only 30% of students get these correct a year time. I think they're lying. This year you guys gonna get everything right after watching this video. Alright, so now we have minus 3. So we have 3. We need to get rid of the minus 3, but we must take the inverse. So the inverse of minus is plus. Anything we do to one side, we do to the next side. So now we have 3y minus 2. 3 subtract 2, that's 1. So that's 1y. If you put y alone, it's fine. And then 8 plus 3, which is 11. Alright, some persons did get it correct. However, some persons add 5 for the answer. And I also add, some person add y equals 7. You last already? Come on, guys, you can't last. I'm going to one more equation. You can't last. Come on, man. We're better than that, guys. We're better than that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We can do this, man. We can do this. You can also set it up like this. So see if you guys can match it up, alright? 5 bracket x minus 1 equal 25. What's the value of x? We see x equal 4. Oh, the plus 3 came in because we had the minus 3. So we had to take the inverse of the minus 3. So the inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. So that's how that came in there. So alright, somebody say x at 6. Alright, let's see. Big up to everybody who just joined. We're going to shell down this place tonight. So we expand our bracket by multiplying each term by 5. So it's 5 times x, which is 5x. 5 times negative 1, a positive times a negative, that's negative. And then 5 times 1, which is 5. That is equal to 25. Now this one is what we call the easier one compared to the other one, alright? So we get rid of this minus 5. Someone is asking, oh, I got the plus 5, the plus 3 there. Because you have to take the opposite of minus 5, or the inverse. So if it's inverse of minus is plus, inverse of plus is minus, inverse of division is multiplication, inverse of multiplication, division. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Johnny. Let's go, guys. Good night. No, I'm not on YouTube because I couldn't get the key. I did send a message in the group with Renee. So you can come on YouTube here. Me send you one link. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Right? So now, because this is minus 5, we add 5. So it's the opposite. So now we are left with 5x equal 25 plus 5, which is 30. So this is saying 5 multiplied by a number is equal to 30. What is the number? We divide by 5. Now x, 30 divided by 5 is 6. You guys did well on this one. Very good. One more, guys. One more. And then we'll see if we can move on from this. Alright? We now make this whole we done. This time I'm going to put a minus at the front. Because you know C60 already. They will try to mess up you guys with the negatives. So let's see if you guys can solve this one with the negative at the front. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. What's the answer for that? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. But if people are texting me, then I realize I'm alive now, you know, I'm alive. Hit the like button, guys, let me know something come on. 4.3. After this, guys, we are look for some functions, and we are look for some factorization, we are look for some trigonometry. Big up Infobus. We don't really want dancing, you know, but we care what people learning, you know what I mean? Yeah. And two people say them understand me teaching, me always try to figure out for them. Which is good though. Even though some people say me not simplify, people still understand me. Alright, so is it 4.3? Alright, big up. Say that 6 form now. And guys, do remember, we are going to shell down the paper one them this year again, you know. IT, biology, chemistry, physics. All of the paper one them, when I go yet, we are going to deal with them. Alright, so we expand the bracket. But the guys, be careful when you multiply by a negative, alright? So negative times a positive, that's negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1, that is going to give us a positive 2. We're done with that bracket there. And now we're going to multiply 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 8, which is 24. So we're going to group the like terms now, meaning the x them, then the like terms. Right? This is negative. I think I want to carry it over here. So the x end up be positive. Alright? So we have negative 2x. What's the inverse or the opposite of negative 2x? I mean, hear somebody say 2x. Positive, right? So this becomes 3x plus 2x plus 24. And over here, so we have 2. But we need to get rid of this 4, right? 24 right there, right? By taking the inverse or the opposite of plus 24, which is to minus 24. Anything I do to one side, do to both sides. So this now, we have 2 minus 24. We're not skipping no step, you know, guys. 3x plus 2x. Just go and like up the video, alright? And then we have 3x plus 2x, which is 5x. Share it to the teacher too, guys, because I need to know what's going on, you know. Right? And then now we minus this, which gives us negative 22. So now we have 5x equal negative 22. We divide both sides by 5. Guys, the opposite we're taking. We see this is 4.3, but it look like 5 into that goes 4 times and 2 over 5. Why may I have 3? 2 over 5. So it's 4 and 2/5. 2/5 as a decimal is what? 0.4, right? 5, 4, 20 and 2/5. Or if you like decimal, 4.40. So I'm not sure why you got the 4.3. It's so close. So just double check and see. Apple says she don't like decimal. Now open one. Oh, 4.4. And guys, see me say negative, I'm gonna put the negative. Right? Because a positive, a negative divided by a positive is negative. Good job, guys. You guys are awesome. Just remember that. You guys are awesome. Let's go. So you guys did solve for x. let's look at this topic. What we're sure coming. I've done this so many times. So I expect everyone to be able to get this correct. Alright? Everyone on the live. Everyone on the live. No matter which school, no matter which country. Just get this correct. Please guys, let's go. F of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 3. What will be the value of f negative 1? Big up Melissa Edwards. Big up Miss Anne-Marie Pusey. I'm a vice principal, guys. One of my greatest supporters of all time. Always supporting. And so she stayed though. She supports everybody. So I'm not really special, but you know, we appreciate her so much. I Miss Pusey. Big up. Tomorrow is the last day we are putting energy for them again and again and again. I hope St. Mary's College students on, you know, because them always go like say, me and them in a malice. What's the answer for that, guys? And guys, do remember, for those who want like transformation, everything up on my channel already. Alright? If you want past papers, we can look at the diagram, look at the angles, bearings, all of them up on the channel. Jay say, Prince J, I they got that. Get tonight say 69. I'm not sure where you're talking about. Where you get 69? Big up Prince J. Mr. say that predict on the video where you watch already. I tell people say you're God. Big up yourself. Legendary. Let's go guys, let's go. I see somebody get 69. I'm not sure how that come in. But let us discuss this one. So it's a function and we're going to put this as our input. And our answer would be our output. So what it is, and just like how they replace x with this, with negative 1 here, it's the same thing we're going to do in the equation. So you're going to have negative 1 squared. Anywhere you see x, we're going to put negative 1. Alright? And then put back the rest, that is not with the x. So let's go. Negative times a negative, that is always positive. So negative 1 times negative 1. And this now, negative times a negative is going to give us positive. And then we'll put back a minus 3. Step by step we are doing it, you know. Because we're not confusing nobody. Negative 1 mean, squared mean, negative 1 times negative 1. Negative times a negative, that's positive. So I could fix up it now. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives us positive 1. And then we have a plus 1 minus 3. So this becomes 2 minus 3, which is equal to negative 1. See, so can't stop on you guys. Let's go! Grade 1s we have to get. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, we can do this, man. You have to believe in yourself. Believe, man. Confidence. No nervous, nothing, man. If you're nervous, you're not going to do well, guys. All things where you know. You have to be strong. Let's go. One more other type here, and then we'll look at the composite answer, alright? Find G negative 2. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We can do this, man. We have to believe in ourselves, man. Alright, Tyrese Moore say negative 5. Prince J say negative 11. Anna say panicking. Panicking what? See, set them more down, you know. We don't need to panic, man. Artist say negative 11. Carl Max say 1. Ariana Smith say negative. Big up yourself, Ariana. Big up yourself. Am I Ariana that? Yeah. She got my class. Tony Ann, big up yourself, negative 11. Tara Wellington, big up yourself. My sister that. Alright, go hard and done, guys. Let's go. So we're going to put negative 2 anywhere we see x. And guys, look how I color code it. Anywhere we see x, we're going to put negative 2. Alright? And then we can expand the bracket now. We just show you how to expand 3 times 2, negative 6. Put the minus 5. Remember, when you see it like this, it's like you have negative 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus another negative 5. So what you do, all of them is negative. So we just count it. Alright? Only a positive can cancel a negative. And since there is no positive, we add all of them and we get 11. And guess what? All of them are negative. Alright? Share the video, guys. Share the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See, set them more than way. Let's go. So I don't have to turn lawyer and doctor. We need the maths. Let's get it over with, alright? Nurse. Teachers. Just think about your goals, guys. Try that one here. G negative 1. Let's go, let's go. Big up everybody on the live. I can't get to do it now, guys. Literally. Alright, we'll be live. So, this will look like here. Big up, especially persons from Trinidad and Tobago. Much love and appreciation from me. We can still go to bed 12 o'clock and get rest, guys. And we are 9 o'clock at exam. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. So, me say 6, me say negative 5. Yeah, man, inverse will come up. We are doing everything tonight, guys. Alright. But we still not run. We are go fast, but we still not left nobody behind because we don't want nobody. Them here come for exam for sure. Function is a sure topic, alright? So 6, we're gonna put negative 1. Right? So anywhere we see x, we put negative 1. That's what it wants us to do. And then we add 1. So 6 times that gives us negative 6 plus 1. Now look at this now. We have 6, so it's positive negative 6. So we literally draw 6. I want you guys to catch this little concept. I teach my lower school this and then shut it down. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 negatives versus 1 positive. So positive is going to cancel the negative. So how many are left? And what sign are they? Negative 5, right? 5 negatives left. So it's actually negative 5. Not 7. But big up everybody if you try in the same way. Alright? Yeah, man. We are to compete in this square. Joel Lou said very helpful. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Appreciate it. Sorry, I not acknowledge as much today, guys, but I'm more focused on doing the work. Alright? So let's look at combining 2 functions. Alright, that is what they call the composite function. And of course, you know, Mr. Bennett are going to explain it so you guys can understand it, even if you're doing it for the very first time. So we have f of x. We use some different numbers. Alright, so let's combine f of g, x. What it is now, we're going to combine the two functions, right? So we're bringing the two functions together, the f and the g. Yes, Shamai Adams, big up. Thanks for the art. Thanks for the love. Yeah, man, we can touch bearings. Everything, guys. But, guys, I know some have them video there already. We don't always worry about them stuff that we depend on. Alright, so we have g, which is 3x minus 1, 3x minus 5. So write back the last function, which is 3x minus 5. Put that in bracket, and that becomes our x. And next, we write our f. So we're going to write back f. What does f say? 2x plus 1. But guess what? In x, in writing back x, this is our f, this is our x. So we write 2, this is our x, plus 1. Tell me if you understand, guys. We're writing back 2x plus 1, but this is our x. This function becomes our x. Alright? So this is 2, all of this is x plus 1. And again, we're going to multiply if we get the bracket. Alright? So we multiply 2 times 3, which is 6x. And then 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10 plus 1. Tell me if you understand. This is the only like terms. So we put back our 6x and then we work out that. Negative 10 plus 1. Now 10 is bigger, 10 is negative. So we know we're going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. So 6x minus 9. Tell me that you guys got that. Tell me in the comment section. I see plus 9. Alright. Atwani, you get that. Akeem Robinson, you get that. Prince J, oh, you get 1.5. Cookie, yup, big up. Jamie, big up. A long time I know you're from Marcia, Trinidad and Tobago. What Marcia going with? Alright, somebody say go again, please. Let's go, let's go. That me like for you guys. So this was f of g. So we are going to combine a different function now. Listen to the words, you know, guys. Listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. You know that show there? Who said those words? Are you hearing the words that is coming out of my mouth? So guys, we do FG. Now we are going to do GF. Make sure you not write too, you know, guys. Have one book and I write. Alright? Karma, big up yourself. Shamaya Adams, big up yourself. So now we are going to write back the last function. So we have GF. So clearly we can see that f is our last function. So write back all of f, which is 2x plus 1. Put that in bracket. Now we're going to be writing back g. What does g say? G say 3x minus 5. But guess what? This is our x in g. So we put our 3. This is our x. And we minus 5. When you get this tomorrow, just shut it down. Alright? 3 times 2, which is 6x. And next we're going to use 3 times 1. 3 ones, 3. And we minus 5. See what easy maths is, guys? These are the only like terms, 3 minus 5. Put that in the comment section. If you have 3 positive and 5 negative, how much you would have left? I'm waiting for that. Come on, guys, let's go. It's a learning process. We are here to learn tonight. Can I get an amen? Amen, Brother Bennett. Let's go. All right. So I'm seeing minus 2, minus 2. Very good. Olivia, oh, you get positive 2. Jamie say negative 2. Big up, guys. Big up. Yeah, I love that. I love that. Drum roll. Yeah. So yes, it is indeed negative 2. Let me just show you again. So we have plus 3. So we're gonna have 3 positive. And we have 5 negative. So I'm going to color code it. So we have 5 negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now each positive is going to cancel a negative. So one gone, one gone, one gone. How many leave? 2 leave, but guess what? They are both negative. Tell me if you're understanding. Guys, no share to the teacher yet. Butterfly from Trinidad and Tobago. She was one of my students last year. What about Butterfly? Big up yourself. Much love, Butterfly. I remember the days when we were having class after class. Big up yourself, Butterfly. If you have my number, share the girl from Trinidad and Tobago with the trophy. Big up yourself, Butterfly. Much love, man. Yeah. Hard-working, ambitious girl. Yeah. I'm soon come Trinidad, you know, guys. Because more people from Trinidad watch my video than Jamaican. So I have to find a way to come to Trinidad. One more function, guys. I want everybody get it, and then we'll look for some more complex ones, alright? You guys gonna try this one now, combine it, and then we'll look for some more complex ones. We not each. And for those of you who don't know Jamaican term, now each means work we are work. We not jerk no chicken. We just a work. Big up the island of chicken curry, Trinidad and Tobago, or is it Guyanese? Live are full up and you know, guys. Alright, so we see 12x plus 13. Alright, Jamie Mullins. We there, man. We there. Good look while we there, Jamie Mullins. Big up. Karma said 12x plus 13. Alright. So may I assume say everybody I get 12x plus 13. Let's go. So write back the last function, which is g, and that is 6x plus 5. So it's the last function, right back, and then we're going to write back f, which is 2. This is our x already. So we don't need to put the x, just the 2. Love how you guys angle this one, alright? You handle your business. So 2 times 6, which is 12x, and 2 times 5, which is 10. Very good. Add the 3. This is the only like terms. So 10 plus 3. Both of them positive, so we can add them. Alright, somebody says, sir, make it complex where you have a little fraction. Let's go. Example time. Big up Apple. We now measure a little negative energy. Big up everyone, see me. Alright? Yeah. Big up AJ family. Maths is not a competition, guys. It's all about helping people, alright? So those who you can help, yeah, you're definitely gonna do that. Alright, so we have f of x. We now do it for the fame, you know. So guys, how do we deal with this when there's a fraction? Alright, I'm going to show you both FG and GF as an example. Pay attention closely, guys. Pay attention. So FG of x, and over here, I'm going to do GF. So I'm going to do both of them. Just for you guys, alright? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Jonathan Green, big up yourself. Thanks, Aline. Salin said great job. Thanks, man. Cookie say competing fuel. Alright, so he's a competitor. Alright, so let's look at this, guys. Do we do the same thing? Yes. Alright, it's only gonna be a little bit different. So we have FG, so we write back all of G. It doesn't change. So it's 4x minus 1. Put that in bracket. Now we have 3x. Remember, this is our x, you know, in the new one. So we put our 3x plus 5 all divided by 3. Alright? So all we're doing is expanding the top now. So we're going to say 3 times 4, which is 12x. 3 times -1 is -3. And we put our plus 5 over 3. And we can simplify this. We get back our 12x. And this would work out to positive 2 over 3. And that would be our answer. Alright? So we don't expand the something there. Alright guys, big up to everybody when they're on the live. Big up. I know the energy go already. Alright, so ensure you take down that guys before me erase it. Let's go, let's go. So it's 12x plus 2 all over 3. The only way we divide, guys, if we can find a number to go in all 3 of them. Right? So we have 12x plus 2. There's no number can go into 12, 2, and 3. That's the only way we can simplify it further. Alright? So just in case someone was wondering why I leave it like that. Big up Sigri. Yeah man. But guys, may I help you with paper 2 so we can angle paper 2 too. Only if you're brown it difficult, you know. But we not pre the difficulty, we just a pre what we can do. Yeah man, we soon go the inverse. After this are the inverse. But I'm show you how to deal with them one. Alright? So we have GF, guys, pay attention. Tomorrow exam, you know. Pay attention. I have to lock it down. So I'm going to do GF now. So GF, we write back F first. Now F will be all of this, which is 3x plus 5 over 3. Put that in bracket, that is our x. Now what G say? 4x, so it's 4, this is our x minus 1. Them can't talk to me in a C-sec tomorrow? No. 4 times 3, which is 12x. 4 times 5, 20. And we minus the 1 over 3. So this gives us 12x. 20 minus 1 is 19 all over 3. And we don't simplify it unless a number can go into all 3 of them without a remainder. Big up everybody with them on the live. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Alright. Missy Manda get it. Big up Manda. Circle theorem. Guys, you see because the drawings are difficult, want to go up on my channel, type in Lennox Bennett circle theorem, and you see all of the past paper them. Whole heap of them upon it. Natasha, big up yourself. Me say Natasha forget big up. Alright, somebody say me love. Yeah, factorization next after the inverse. Alright? So factorization next after the inverse. But there's one aspect of this I want to show you guys first. Alright? There's one other aspect of it. And then we're going to the inverse. Guys, notice Mr. Bennett, you never see me a rush maths. Anybody can tell you that, alright? We don't need to rush maths. Teach, we are teaching and could joke thing this. Alright, say, I can write about G down there, so. I know there's a little light there, so all the time, what mess with me. Alright, so we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over 5. G of x is equal to 4x plus 6. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to say fg negative 1. What do we do when we get a number? How do we approach it? Let's go. Oh, it's not sure, man. Hold on there, guys. Hold on. You know what? I'm going to rub it off and bring it down closer. Alright, make you see this. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Big up, everyone. Let's go and like the video, guys. Get it to 200 likes. Big up, Jay. Big up, Mr. 8FF. Big up. Yeah, me fix it, guys. Tell me something to see now, please. So it's 3x minus 2. I think because I want the writing to be so big, that's why I kind of put it far. Yeah, but that is better now. Alright? So we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 over 5, and we'll give it fg negative 1. So the first thing, we work out our fg, right? G said 4x plus 6. Put that in bracket, same thing like we do. Now we're going to write back f, which is 3x minus 2. So we have 3x minus 2 over 5. We expand just like normal, and then we simplify. 3 times 4, 12x. 3 times 6, 18. Put to minus 2, and you 5. So we can tidy up now. So we have 12x, 18 minus 2, that is going to give us 16 over 5. Now, we're not finished because they say put negative 1 in the function. So we could do that now, guys. We could do that. Anywhere we say x, we're going to put the value negative 1. Oh, we know? Right here, so. Just as though they replace x. So this is negative 1. And we'll put the plus 16. Then we can talk to it. So 12 times that gives us negative 12 plus 16 over 5. And to finish it off, negative 12 plus 16 is what? 1 is positive, 1 is negative. We subtract, keep the sign of the bigger one. We got my friend from Grenada. This will leave positive 4 over 5. And that will be our answer. Tell me if CSEC can stop you guys tomorrow. No. Guys, you share it with the teacher yet, guys? Big up yourself, Tara Wellington, Miss Tara Wellington, my math classmate, Michael University College. Melia, say Guyana, big up yourself. Rep your country, guys. Jamila, say 4 over 5. Olivia Brown, big up Trinidad and Tobago, St. Lucia. Yeah, man. All over the world, guys. All over the world. Can you do a Caribbean around the world? Tell say if a function alone should have passed. Alright, some more of you guys try the next one here quickly. And then we look at the inverse. Where everybody are fretboard. But when Mr. Benny showing you tonight, it have a lock. Try that one here quickly, guys, with the fraction. Alright? Want to see the answers, them are flow now, you know. Find fg negative 2. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What's the answer for that? Share it to the teacher, guys. We not stop work, you know. I work where I work, and a chicken where I jerk. How you guys here with the fraction? Big up Natasha. This come. Thirty more seconds, guys. Let's go, let's go. Push yourself. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That pretty flag there, which country that? Negative 9 over 3, I see negative 7 over 3. I see negative 3. Yeah, composite function, guy, composite. I see negative 9 over 3, Jonathan. Michael Fletcher. Yo, the live I get active, you know. Energy, 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 let's go. Inverse after this and then factorization. Them can't talk to you. And guys, make sure you watch the puzzle them. The number 7 and number 8. I do them for my channel, you know. I do everything for my channel. Alright? So we have fg, so we write back g first, which is x minus 2, put that in bracket, and then we surround it with f, this is x, so we have 2x minus 1 over 3. Now we expand the bracket, and then we're good. Miss Wellington, share to the students and big up yourself. I'm a classmate, that you know, guys. I'm a sister. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, minus 1 over 3. So now we say 2x, both of them are negative, right? So once both of them negative like this, we know what we're supposed to do. I'm showing now again, so see if somebody just joined. If you have this, negative 4 and negative 1, we just add them. Only a negative can cancel a positive, alright? So there's no positive to cancel, so we just add it. And this is how gangs are formed. 4 negative youth, then book up with another negative youth, then go rob the bank. Not the bank, the Brinks. So this gives us negative 5 over 3. But we are not finished. We are supposed to put negative 2 for x. So we could do that. Alright? So we're substituting now. So it's 2x minus 5 over 3. We just rewrite it so persons can see. Anywhere x is, we put negative 2. Oh, we know? It's right here. The same, put that in the function, and then we minus 5 over 3. Expand the top, 2 times that, negative 4 minus 5 over. You guys learn fast, you know? You guys learn fast. Or negative 3. Good job, guys. Good job. Awesome job. We have 12 hours to go. What if our work can go in at that? I'm going to see the live, I get busy. Prince J, big up yourself. Something they say me learn something. Something they say you are the boss. Thanks, guys, thanks. Yeah, man, we just a try, man. We just a try. Somebody said, me no catch that. Alright, we could do one more. Try one more, guys. I think if you just join, you're not going to catch it. But try one. In this one, I'm going to go through it slowly when I'm doing the solution. Alright? Because more and more persons are joined. 200 new persons joined just a while ago. When we realize. Alright? So try this one now. And then we want, after everybody master this, guys, we are going to the inverse of a function. And of course, we're going to go to the factorization. Alright? And we want to touch the trigonometry too. What do you say? Problem topic. We want to touch them to explain it to you. Alright? Brittany said I'm very dedicated. Yeah, man, that is true. I am dedicated. Maths is an obsession because I know what it can do for the students then. Alright, somebody said, we not fret again. We not fret, man. Remember, say C-sec have to give you things where you know, like the fraction, the standard form, the algebra, that come at number 2. The number 3, perimeter area. Them take out sets now. Number 4, the functions. Number 5. Sometimes they come with some little graph something. Or they can come with any little thing. Only time 2 negative or positive are when you multiply. Somebody said they got 4. And statistics too, yeah. We forgot about statistics. And guys, if you look back on the things that I posted today, you'll see some statistics video. Alright, all of the videos that I do, you can watch them. See the Sharon Hunter, yeah man. We forgot about statistics, you know, guys. But yeah, I post on statistics. And guys, you must look on the video them when you see mark 2023. It no means that the paperwork coming out. It just means that if you are prepared for 2023, meds them. That's all it means. Alright, so we have f, which is 4x plus 5 over 2. So what it is, we write back the last function. So it's the last function we write back. Alright, first. That is our x. And then, we got the mux family too. I don't go Tara alone. We got the entire mux family. Alright, so now we're going to write back g. G says 6x. Now, this is our x in g. So 6. This is our x. And we'll put the plus 1. That's it. That is it. Alright? Hope you guys see that now. So, this g is in blue. So you have the 6 and the 1. And this, all of this is our x. All of this. Now my x though, full x. Alright? You know, I have nothing to do with no x. So now, we are going to have 6 times 4, which is 24x. And then we do the maths, right? So 6, 5, the bracket means to multiply. 6 times 5, which is 30. And we plus 1. Put that over 2. We can simplify now. So we have 24x. These are the only like terms. 30 plus 1 gives us 31 over 2. But we are not finished because guess what? The function C, we are supposed to put negative 1. Find it up something there and put negative 1. So let's do that. Anywhere we see x, we're going to replace it with negative 1. I hope the Lakers are winning. Maths come first. Maths come first. No basketball tonight. Caribbean come first, not USA. Alright, so this times this gives us negative 24 plus 31 over 2. Now we have a negative 24 plus 31. So what do we do from here? One is positive, one is negative. Somebody type that in the comment section so persons can look. Everybody go to the comment section. Somebody's going to type it. If we have negative 24 plus 31, what do we do then? Alright, so I'm seeing positive 7 over 2. Leanna, big up yourself. Tara Winton said 3.5. Very good. So it's 7 over 2. Because the subtract and keep the sign of the bigger one. 35 is bigger, it is positive. So the answer must be positive. Or 3.5. Tara, big up the entire MOOCs family for me. More while I not even get the text in the group, but I'm enough love, guys. Enough love. Me just kind of dedicated to the maths thing. Yeah, big up Mr. Lemonos, and them man they set a strong foundation for me, you know. Legendary lecturer. Alright guys, you guys try this one now. We're going to use h now. H of x is equal to, everybody must guess this now, 6x minus 5 over 8. And g of x is equal to 4x plus 2. Find hg3. Let's go guys. What's the answer for that? And guys, look at my functions video. They are there. All of the functions past people. Big up from Grenada, Javan. Moderate. No, not moderate. Mother S. I see somebody still worry about bearings. As I say guys, there's a bearings video where you can watch, alright? Somebody say my brain is laughing. Yeah, we can touch the simultaneous equation too, you know. But we need to do the inverse. So we're going to do the inverse of this. And then we touch the factorization. And then we touch the simultaneous equation. Good idea, good idea. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. What's the answer for that one? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. HG3. What's the answer for that? This is 79 over 8. 6.75. Or 9.99. Alright, let's go now, guys. Let's go. Alright, so we're at the last function, which is g. I remember we're going to touch the inverse next. Alright, so 4x plus 2. Put that in bracket. Remember, guys, the principle cannot change. Only the numbers them can change. Alright, so Benny don't bring you if you know what to do. So we have 6x minus 5 over 8. And we expand our bracket. 6 times 4, 24x. 6 times 2, 12. And we minus 5 over 8. Now this is going to give us 24x. 12 minus 5 is going to give us 7 over 8. Right? So we're done with that part. Now we're going to put 3 in the function. So it's going to be 24 multiplied by 3, and then we add 7 and divide by 8. So 3 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 2 6, and 1 7. So that's 72 plus 7 over 8. I saw somebody put 9. I'm not sure how they got the 9. We add this, we get 79 over 8, right? 9 9 is 81, so we know say they reach 81. No, what are 8 this? 8 tens are 80, right? So how you guys get the answer there? 79 over 8. Okay. Yeah, 9 times, right? 9 8 72. So it's 72. So 7 is gonna left over the 8. You just want one more. Alright? Very good. For those that said 9.9 or 9.875, that would be correct. Big up Tasha Smith, thanks. Big up Tony Levine, big up. Much love. Let's go and like up the video now, guys. We can see if we can get to 300 likes. Come on, man. We can do this. Alright, guys. Let's look on the inverse quickly now. And guys, remember, so you cannot watch this on your way, you know, while the father drive you to work. Show for you. I'm not someone rich. So while I'm show for you, you can go and make it, alright? So see if we can find the inverse, guys. So we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. What would be the inverse of f? Try that one first, and then we can meds it, alright? Let's go, let's go. Let's go. What's the inverse of f? Alright, Mr. X minus 2 over 3. Well done. Alright, this is how easy the inverse is. You basically can look at it and know the answer, right? So first, you look at what is happening to x, right? So we multiply by 3 and we add 2. So we have to do a last. So we minus 2, and then because it's a times, we divide. Another way we can look at it is to do it step by step. Let's just look at that also. But you can literally look at it and just look at the opposite of what's happening. Alright, so first we change the function to y. So it's y equal 3x plus 2. And then we interchange x for y and y for x. What this means, anywhere y is, you put x, anywhere x, swap the position there. Not like a Usher sing about, you know. But you understand. So now we're going to make y the subject of the formula. So we have 3y plus 2, which is minus 2, which is the inverse of plus 2. Anything I do to one side, you do to both sides. So now we have 3y, and then we divide by 3. So our inverse of f is x minus 2 over 3. And that is our answer. Guys, you share this on the status yet? Come on, man, let's go, let's go, let's go. See if we can find the inverse of this one. If g of x is equal to 4x plus 5 over 3, find the inverse of g. Let's go, let's go. Hope everyone will catch it. Let's go, guys, let's go. Big up Jaya from Guyana. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Alright, big up my friend from Guyana. Fully. Yeah. Alright, so may I say 3x minus 5 over 4? Alright. You know, I never understand with students. Students always worry about some advanced, what them call advanced maths, and fail to get the basic stuff. That is why students are failing. The vectors and something when you're so worried about, guess how much marks that is going to work? 7 marks or 6. And all of these topics, you guys mess up these, which were 90 marks, and wonder why people are failing. Guys, we cannot do a million things at a time. All of those stuff are done on my channel already with past papers. I do vectors by itself, circle theorem by itself, matrices by itself, bearings by itself. You just have to type it in and you see it, alright? But these are what is the bug. These are going to secure you passing. If you do for question 1 to 8, even the puzzle, I do a lot of those on one video. You just have to search the channel, guys. Alright? So let's go. We're asked to find the inverse of G. Not because you probably know it, it doesn't mean say if you just run. Others don't know this, you know. So let's go. We change the function to y. So it's y equal 4x plus 5 over 3. Right? We interchange now x for y and y for x. So anywhere x is, we put y. Anywhere y is, we put x. So now we're going to solve for y. So we will keep every y on the side here and the rest over there. So with first, we do the last thing done to y. So if you read this, it's read 4y plus 5 divided by 3. Notice I say divide by 3 last. So that's the first one we need to get rid of. This 3 right here. By multiplying by 3, which is the inverse of dividing. So because it times by 3 here, we also going to times by 3 over here. So this now becomes 3x equal, and then we have 4y plus 5. Now, notice we have 4y plus 5 because our objective is to get y by itself. So we have 4y plus 5. Notice we say plus 5 last. So what we do, we minus 5 from both sides. So now we have 3x and we minus the 5. And this, so this gives us 3x minus 5. Why is this not writing? Come on, don't do me that. Big up St. Mary's College for them marker here. Alright. And we have one more, which is to get rid of the 4. Now the 4 is multiplying by y, so what we do? We divide. So our final answer would be the inverse of g is equal to 3x minus 5 over 4. Let me show you how to do it by inspection. Look, last thing being done to x here, that's the first thing you focus on. So you have 3, so we say 3 a divide, so it's going to be times. This a plus, so we're going to minus, this is the opposite. This a times, so we divide. And this is inspection. You get full marks to do it like that, same way. No matter paper 2 no got leak nothing, guys. No paper 2 no leak. No, it's not functional what we're doing. We're doing other topics too. Alright? Remember we say factorization after this. These are some very popular topics, and then we say simultaneous equation. But we cannot just rush and do one height and then some people not get it. Remember guys, it's marks make you get pass exam. So if you can pick up marks in this topic, pick up marks in that topic, that's how you pass. It's not one topic gonna make you pass. Alright? So stop worrying about what you think you don't know and just focus on ensuring so you know all how you know. I want you guys to try this one and then we'll move on. Find the inverse of f and put 2 in the function. Let's go. So it's the inverse of f and then put 2 in the function. And then we can move on to the factorization. The paper don't leak, guys. Think about it. You see, if the paper leak, it's worse for every one of us. You know why? Them have to set a different paper and it will be much harder. The paper cannot leak. It cannot leak. Alright? There's no such thing as paper being leaked. That is nonsense. As a matter of fact, people even spread rumor on TikTok say I have the paper. What nonsense. If the paper leak, no exam tomorrow. And then it would be a rat to the exam them set. It's worse than the January paper then. Big up Olivia Brown. You know leaking on a Guyana, fart in our chat. Me guarantee no paper leak in Guyana, Trinidad, Barbados, Jamaica, nowhere at all it leak. Instead of going to try focus on to prepare to not talk about leak, not a thing on leak. Pipe bung up, guys. The pipe bung up, not leak. Let's go, let's go. What's the inverse of f and 2? See that, Anik, just teach. Alright. Said so. Alright, let's go, guys. So we change the function to y. So it's y equal 4x plus 8 over 2. I mean, I say kind of late in Trinidad and Guyana, but we have to do, right? Alright, next thing we interchange x for y and y for x. Guys, if you have to drop asleep, just check back in the morning here. I'm going to put the light. Now we get rid of the 2 by multiplying by 2, so that becomes 2x equal 4y plus 8. Take the inverse of plus 8, which is minus 8. So now we have 2x minus 8 equal 4y. And then we divide by 4. I carry it up here, so now So the inverse of f would be 2x minus 8 over 4, and then we're going to put 2 in the function, right? So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 2 minus 8. Anywhere you see x, you put 2 over 4. 2 2 is 4, and then we have minus 8 over 4. Don't go cancel, so you know. Subtract first. Alright, 4 minus 4 give you negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. So the inverse of f, 2, is negative 1. Many persons got that correct. Congrats to you guys who got that correct. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Mario say one more. But Mario, we do want to move on still, you know. Guyana, you late in Guyana now, you know. We just see something they put up on our status and a 10 something he say. So I'm going to try to get in some more topic, the factorization and the simultaneous equation. Guys, if you have to go away, come back on that page, alright? Stay with that page forever. Alright, let's go. So I want you guys to factorize this quickly. So we are touching topic them. And Mark say I try to get in every topic. You're not fret on one topic, alright? Stop fret up on yourself, man. Let's go. 2x squared plus 8x. Factorize that. Big up Tashel. Yeah. No love in a Tashel. Big up, man. Only you say me not understand inverse or RASS. A grass, you spell where you left off is something there. Yeah, 10:30 in a Guyana now. So we have to be mindful of all of that. Somebody say 11.75. Oh, 11.75. Roger, big up yourself, you know. Roger Thompson. Alright, so we say 2x plus 4. Alright. Good job, guys. Good job. And guys, you know, if you share the live, you know. So first, to check what's common, which is 2. X is also common because x is in this. Now we can't take out the x squared, just the x, right? Because x squared can go into x. So 2x into this leave x, and that leave 2 into 8 leave 4. The x will cancel the x, and that will be our answer. Alright? So guys, I work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. Let's look at this one. 5x squared minus 20. Let's see if you guys can do this one. Let's see if you guys can factorize that one. 11's an easy dog. Alright. DJ James, big up yourself. Javante Davinson, you're bright, man. I don't feel bright, you're bright. Blessed love, big up yourself. I'm a friend from Mobile that. That one I have on, guys. That one I have on. That one I have on, I don't see the answer now, you know. Not even J have the answer. Because some of you take out the x. X no come on to both. X don't go come on to one. You see what I talk about now? Worry about certain topic. Alright, life with Christian. I think that's you are the winner. Kejan too. And Jamila Edwards. Big up on yourself. Yeah, that is correct. Alright guys, that one here tricky. I deliberately pick out this one out the bag. So x is not common to 20, so it's only the 5 you can take out, right? So 5 into this leave x squared, because the 5 will cancel the 5. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. But guess what? This is a difference of 2 squared. So what we have to do is also factorize this. Now, if we should factorize this, all we're doing is to take the square root. So that gives us x, and then this is 2, and this is minus 2. So we're going to look for factorize difference of 2 squared, because obviously some persons kind of ignored the fact that it was a difference of 2 square for the second part. Alright? So be careful, guys. Be careful, alright? Doreen Phillips, I can't understand my accent. How, Doreen? How dare you not understand my accent? We are finished till you want to go to your bed, guys. Guys, when a difference of 2 square, you check if 2 number, you can find the square root of 2 number, and you have a negative there. So because we can find the square root of x square perfectly, and also we can find the square root of 4 perfectly, so we know it's a difference of 2 square. We're going to look at some of those shortly, alright? So just stay with me. Guyanese people want to say, what time am I not going to bed? Last time at 4 o'clock, I come off at the time when the exam, you know. Some youth come on and say, no, sir. Go on in your bed, man. Go on in your bed. You deserve it. I hear that enough people pass, you know, guys. Enough people. Try this one, guys. I know people are going to say, oh, that is so easy. These are actual past papers, alright? Factorize A3 minus 12A. Tanisha. Yeah, Prince Jerry. Yeah, man, it reach 1,000. Enough people up on the live, you know, guys. More one. Celine, leave you always reach late. You're going to just done English exam. Look for when you do English exam. You could have reached long time. No excuse. Watch it in the morning. The school have Wi-Fi. Good job, guys. Good job. So A alone come on. So we can take out A3 because A would be the highest. That leave A square minus 12. So what I do, guys, I do it anywhere where them bring it, you can angle it. Once them bring it, you can handle it. Let's go. What about this one? X square. And guys, do remember these are actual past papers. I'm getting them out of a past paper book. So we have x square minus xy. They only do by topic, alright? And right away, on the next side here, I'm going to write the next one. So at crunch time now, we are push the pace, alright? Tomorrow we can go through the matrices. Make sure you have on the data phone in our school. See why I'm over here, so? This is how I give me lower school the other day. And of course, them shut it down. So factorize them the fast, guys. Let's go. And then we look at the difference of 2 square. Guys, let's share to the teacher yet. Total surface area and volume, that I worry about. Then they on my channel too, you know. Guys, you can't do everything in a one night. Oh, we wake up from 6 o'clock and do it, man. Alright, so for this one, x is common, so we take out the x into this leave x into xy leave y. Are we done? Boom. What about this one? Let's go. We have an exam to pass at 9. Let's go. And remember, you don't know what coming in the exam, you know, so we can't just focus on what give enough marks. Suppose those don't come and the simple things come like these. We just have focus on everything, man. Alright? Alright. So we group them. We can get the 2 over here, so P common here, so and we can get 2 common. So we could do that. So 2 is common. We take out the 2. 2 into 2P, leave P. 2 into that, leave Q. Put back to minus. What's common? P. So we take out the P. That's on our way. P into P, leave P. And then negative. So we have PQ divided by negative P, right? So P gone and that left minus Q. Alright? So we show that steps there. Negative into this, leave negative. Alright? So that's negative Q, P cancel Q. Now look at this. We have P minus Q common to both. So it will be P minus Q and then 2 minus P. And that will be our answer. I did saw something like this. Alright guys, we could discuss difference of 2 square. Cyplex, oh you have blank. Oh you have blank Cyplex. A factorization. The highest common factor you have to take out. Alright, somebody said then just learning and then catching on. Very good. So we could do our next one. Then we could do our next one. I like to hear that, you know, guys. I like when people say I'm catching on. That more for hear. And that's why we do it, you know. That's why we do it. So let's try one more. 2mh, that one here, I have 4 of them, minus 2nh minus 3mk plus 3nk. I don't like what that picture put me so. But this is 3nk, alright? Let me just put the plus closer. 3nk. Let's go, factorize that, guys. Let's go. Factorize by grouping. That's what it is. What's the answer for that, guys? 1 more minute. Let's go. Well, then nuggets are winning. Alright, let me see what I got nice now. 2h m minus n k 2 minus 3, 2h minus 3k m plus n 2h minus 3, 2h minus m minus n. Alright. Some person did not put them in bracket. But remember, you have to put them in all of the brackets, alright? Alright, so let's go. We can look if any letter common, which is h. Right here we have k. So we can group them by that, alright? So we take out the 2 and the h, that is common. 2 into that leave m, and that leave minus n. See that? We divide them by the 2 cancel the 2, the h cancel the h, that left n alone. Put back a minus, what common? 3 is common to both, and also the letter k. 3 into that leave m, and we're going to show you this 3nk divided by minus 3k. 3 cancel 3, k cancel k, so we are left with minus n. So minus n is in both brackets. So we take out a common, which is m minus n, and then we have what outside, which is 2h minus 3k, and that will be our answer. Alright? Let's go, guys. Let's go. One more. Quickly. Let's see if we can match up on the next one. And then we look at the difference of 2 square. Let's see if we can factorize this one. So we have 4x squared plus 8x minus xy minus 2y squared. Factorize that. Let's go. Work, and a chicken we are girl. Confidence is everything, guys. Alright. Mario say I got that. Actually, you're taking out the highest common factor, alright? The highest common factor. So at all times, yeah, Javante, you can pass, man. Just go and put in the work, man. Guys, if you type in, if you any topic you want, guys, just type it in after this live done. Type in Lennox Bennett linear programming, and you will see it, alright? All of them are there. We now feel, guys. Nobody now feel. Cillian Dakers, no need to stress. Just calm down, man. Calm down. Pinky Campbell, stop worrying. Welch Gaming, 4x minus y. Big up yourself, Welch. A long time I hear from Welch. You good? Tony Ann. Simplify the Tony Ann. Guys, just make sure 2 bracket you have. And nothing outside that bracket. Let's go. Sanjay, can you turn on the device if you please? I'm now on YouTube vlog me. Turn it on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Unknown, nobody stress, man. Calm down yourself. Alright, we can go through it now, guys. So we're going to group them. Alright, let me tell you what you do. You look if there's anything common. Common mean anything is in this. So you have to group them by pairs. So 2, right? So you look, let's look. 4 can go into 8, yeah. We can group that set there. Just the numbers alone can make you group them. Also, x is common, x is in this and x is in that. Alright? So what common, that's what we have to take out. So we take out the highest common factor. First, we list all the factors of 4 and all the factors of 8. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. List the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8. So what's the highest number that is in both of them? And that would be 4, right? So we take out the 4, and since x is common, we take out x. Simple as that. And then we divide now 4x into that, leave x. 4 into 8, that goes 2 times. X will cancel x, so that leave y. Next, we put our minus and we proceed. So let's go. So we put our minus. X is not common to both, but y is. So see there? Y is common, so we take out the y. Negative y into that is going to leave positive x, negative y. Let me show you. So 2y squared divided by negative y, right? 2y squared is the same thing as negative 2 times y over negative y. Negative cancel negative, one of the y gone. So that left positive 2y. So this now leave x plus 2y, and then we have 4x minus y. And that would be our answer. But outside, Sanjay, turn on the device, you know. Alright, let's go. So guys, we are going to look at the difference of 2 square now. And then we do some simultaneous equation and then we do the rest. Alright, let's go. You guys can do factorize by the factor method. Guys, in the meantime, everybody have to just go and like up the video. So in the morning, YouTube can recommend it to other people, alright? So we're going to look at the difference of 2 squares. Say we have x squared minus 25, and they ask us to factorize this. All we're doing is taking the square root. So all we're doing is taking the square root of both of them, right? So which number multiplied by itself give you x squared, which number multiplied by itself give negative 25, not negative, right? So it's a difference of 2 squared. So that means both of them, you can find the square root for both numbers. So the square root of x squared would be x, put it on either side. The square root of 25 is which number you can multiply by itself and it give you 25. Only 5. One should be plus, one should be minus. So since this work out to 5 square and this is x square, all we do, we put 1 here, so it's x plus 5 and x minus 5. And that is our answer. Let's look at another one. Try that one. 9x squared minus 16. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it up to 1,000 people per the line. Alright, somebody said a session that help a lot. Big up, man, big up. Thanks for that. And we're not done yet. Alright, we know say Guyana and Trinidad, they are ahead of us. So we have to be mindful of that, but we still have to put in the work. Somebody said them brain are lagging. Drink some water, man. So, difference of 2 square. You know, say Shamala man get the one around. What's that man? Where you going? So, what's the number we can multiply by itself and give you a 9x? That would be 3x, right? So, you have 3x squared. What number multiplied by itself give you 16, which is 4 squared. So, just remember, 1 on either side. So, you have 3x, and then plus 4. And minus 4. So this is what we call a difference of 2 squared. So it will be 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 4. Alright, 1056 in Trinidad. I understand. So you guys are going to do the exam before we, that's all. We did 9 o'clock at Jamaica. You did 10 o'clock Trinidad time. I don't know how it works. What about this one? 49y squared minus 100. 10:51 in a Guyana too. 10 o'clock early, guys. 10 o'clock early. Kayla Stevenson. Oh, that was for the previous one. 1053 in Antigua too. Alright. You go. So Stella, you left off the X, man. You don't go put 7, you left off the X. Remember say the Y, you have to put the Y too, guys. Alright, so I think you guys are catching on. Good job, good job. So we'll find the square root. Which number multiplied by itself give us 49, which is 7. Which number multiplied by itself give us y squared. Which number multiplied by itself, that is 10 squared, right? So what we do, we take 1 from the left and 1 on the right. So 1 should be plus and 1 should be minus. So this is what we call a difference of 2 squared. So everybody I get it now, which is good. So we're going to look today. We have one more still. Two more quickly. Share down this fast, guys. So this is it, and this is the next one. Let's go. Brittany Young. Me see a bracket, but it right. Number say me a lifesaver. Big up, man, big up. Good job, guys. Good job. You guys are keen. Alright. So this, it'll be m times m. And this are n times n. So, write one on either side. One a plus. One a minus. This one now. What about this one? X squared minus 1. What will be the difference of that? Alright, B said. Shanice Morris, you are correct. Danique Brown, you are correct also. O'Neill Harman, big up yourself. Intense. Intense that? The real entertainer. Yeah, big up yourself, Intense. Alright, so we find the square root of this, which is x. And the square root of 1 is 1. So we have x plus 1 and x minus 1. Alright, very good. Good job, guys. Good job. So let's see if we can do the factor method now. Almost upon 1,000 people on the live. You know, say once YouTube say you go 1,000 viewers, you know, say a whole heap of people. Because when them show say 5 person, 100 that, you know. So you can know, say a whole heap of people upon the live. Just go and share it, just go and like, and tea. No longer you guys have to study for your own. You have help and you have people. You can go and work. Alright, let's see if we can solve some of these guys. So we can start off simple. This is not an actual past paper. I just do this one. Sanjay, Mr. Turn on your device. I'm telling you, son, man. You know what I miss? No, man, this is alive. This is alive. Here, Tony and Spalding, it's alive. Can you hear me answer you? Live in living colors. Leonard Thomas, I'll be something. So these are the AC method, guys. Number no drop, man. We just go and work. People are going to bed. People are come on now. We are going to we are factorizing. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Factorization. Alright. Alright, so I can just show you the factor method. And then we can run through it. I deliberately use this easy one so you guys can get the principle. So we label it ABC. And what we want to do, we want to multiply, and this is a rule now. We're going to multiply A times C. At all times, we're going to do that. Why we do that? We need two factors for this, but it must be product of this. So make you find that. So it's going to be x squared times 9, which works out to 9x squared. Let's go back to primary school now. We're going to list all the factors of 9. So factors mean what numbers they can multiply to give you 9. What would be the factors of 9? So it's 1 times 9, that's 9. And 3 times 3, 9. So from the factors, we're going to see which can give us 6x. Which of these? 1 and 9, you can add or subtract to give you 6x. Or 3 and 3 can add to give you 6x. Let's go. Which is it, guys? Which is it? Alright, somebody said 3. 3 times 3. Very good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to replace the 6x with 3x plus 3x. Because 1, when we add it, it's going to give us 6x. And when we multiply, it gives us the 9x squared. Right? So we replace it. So let's go. So we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 3x. Notice we take out the 6, but this is still 6. 6 is real, ain't it? Let's go, let's go. Take out the highest common factor like we did do earlier. It's why I'm showing that earlier first by grouping. X into that leave x. X into that leave 3. Put back a plus. 3 common. 3 are the highest number can go into that. We don't take out the x because there's no x in the 9. And then we have x. 3 into that leave 3. So this form one bracket, so it's x plus 3. And we're outside, which is x plus 3 also. So this is what we call a perfect square. So that will be our answer for this one. X plus 3 times x plus 3. Alright, Javante said x plus 3. Let us look at our next one, guys. Guys, just stay up with me. Just stay up with me, man. Let's go. Let's go. This time, look at it carefully. Use the same procedure to solve, alright? Guys, ensure you write it down right away, alright? And then you try. So try this one now. X squared plus 7x plus 10. Alright, let's go guys, let's go. What's the answer now? I gave you guys enough time. I'll walk you through this and then we're going to look on some actual. Alright, so we say x plus 2 and x plus 5. We have a bright group, you know, we have a very bright group. Very good, that's correct. Alright, so we could just walk through it again. Same AC, label it ABC, and then we're going to look on some actual past papers and see how you guys do that. These are just examples that I created, alright? So it's x squared times 10, which works out to 10x squared. List all the factors of 10, which is 1 times 10 and 2 times 5, which can give us 7 if we add, which is, alright. So it's going to be x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 10. Put our bracket. Back to what we did earlier. Highest common factor, that will be x, right? X common to this, x common to that. Everybody see that? Take out our x, x into that leave x, x into that leave 2. Take out, no, a 5 there, so. Why may I have 7 there, so? It's supposed to be 2, 5, guys. 2 plus 5, right? 2 and 5, yeah. Take out the 5. 5 into that leave x, 5 into 10 leave 2. So we have this in a one bracket, which is x plus 2 and x plus 5. Let's see if we can match up one from the past paper. See how well you guys deal with this, alright? So there we go. This is an actual past paper. So it's 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Let's go. What's the answer, guys? What the answer you guys got? Alright, let's go. Let's see how you guys angle this. I say x minus 1 and 2x plus 3. Simultaneous equation coming up, guys. After this, Tony and Davis said 2x bracket x minus 1. So Tony, you have to put them in a one bracket, man. Wouldn't that be x minus 1 and you can't leave them out of bracket? Simultaneous equation next, guys, and then we'll look up on couple matrices. Alright, I'm going to look on this. You guys are rush the thing, you know, and so much too. You want to see a chef just a flinging in a pot? You don't have timing where you do it. It don't make sense I go through this if persons are still not getting this. Master this and make me move on, guys, man. So we multiply 2x squared times 3, which gives us positive 6x squared. List the factors of 6. So there we have it. We have 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. When we multiply them, we're supposed to get a positive 6. And when we add them, we get a negative. Only two negative numbers can do that. When you multiply a negative times a negative, you get positive. And when you add them, you get and negative. Alright? So both of them have to be negative. So it's going to be 2 and 3. Could just write about a 5x are pretty. Alright, so we're going to use negative 2 and negative 3. So that gives you a negative 5, and when you multiply them, it gives you positive 6. Remember, you can always watch your playback, guys. So it's 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. Drop in your bracket. Take out the highest common factor, which is 2. X is also common. X is here, X is there, X is everywhere. X into that leave X, X into any number divided into itself, left 1, right? So we have minus 1. Next, we put our minus right here. 3 is common. No other number common but 3. And then we can divide. Negative 3, negative 3x divided by negative 3. Negative cancel negative. That leave x. Now we have positive 3 divided by negative 3, which gives us minus 1. Notice we get the same thing for both brackets. I saw someone leave it like this. No. Take out this, we common to both bracket, right? So we take out the x minus 1 because it's in both, and then we multiply 2x minus 3. And that would be our answer. So guys, that was an actual past papers. How many persons got that one correct? One more, guys, one more. One more past paper, one more. Let's go, let's go. And then we move into the simultaneous equation. As you guys have to get rest eventually. Try this one, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, no paper, no leak. I lie them, I tell. I lie them, I tell. No paper got leaked. That's not coming out in media. I just TikTok people that try to get views and make up that. Let's go, guys, let's go. What's the answer for that? X minus 1 and x minus 4. Alright, Leon, let's go. Guys, it's a lot hard to draw the vector sitting them now, you know. So, let's go back on the past people them when we do, man. So we multiply this and we get positive 4x squared. This all the factors of 4, 1 and 4, and 2 and 2. Clearly we can see only this can give a 5, right? Because 2 plus 2 is 4. So what we do, we say x squared. We're going to use minus 1x minus 4x, because this value, when we add it, it gives us negative 5 and plus 4. That's it. Put our bracket. What's common? X. X into this, leave x. X into 1x, leave 1. So that gives us minus 1. Put our minus. What's the highest common factor? Which is 4. 4 into that, leave x. X into positive. So now it gives us this, which is x minus 1 and x minus 4. For the people who want to talk about the vectors, guys, just go on my vectors past paper solution video, alright? After this. I can take a whole to draw them, then. That's why some topics I just, when I go live, I focus on some topics. But I don't have to draw. While I have videos and matrices, everything already. Find the value of x and find the value of y. You see much difficulty we cover? Simple as we do here. What do you think that I'm going to do? Make you get marks tomorrow. Make you get marks. And marks we are getting now, guys. Anyone I met they want to use, guys. I for my students, elimination normally works better, but anyone you feel comfortable with, use it. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. What's the value of x? Alright, 3 and 1. Let's go. So we are going to use elimination. So we are going to choose to get rid of the y. Y. One is negative, one is positive. It's easier to add. So we are going to multiply. We make the coefficient be the same. So we are going to multiply this by 3 and this by... No. This by 1 and this by 3, right? So it's like a swap. 3 1's 3, 1 3 3. But we're going to multiply everything. So 1 times 2, that's 2x. 1 times 3y is 3y, and 1 times 9 is 9. Expand by 3, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 3 minus 3y, and that is why we do it, 3 eighths, 24. So now we can add, alright? So if we add, we get rid of this automatically, because 3y plus minus 3y is going to give us 0. So let's go. So it's going to be 2x plus 9x plus 3y plus minus 3y are equal to 9 plus 24. And of course, this is going to give us 0. This is going to give us 2 plus 9, 11, and 9 plus 3, that 33. So we divide by 11. So x is equal to 3 based off of this. Next thing we need to do now, substitute 3 in any one of the equation. I'm going to use the positive one because I don't like work with negative numbers. So anywhere we see x in this equation, we're going to replace it with the value, which is 3. Alright? So we have 2 times 3 plus 3y equal 9. 2 3 is 6 plus 3y equal 9. Subtract 6 from both sides. So that gives us 9 minus 6, which is 3. You guys are perfectly correct. So y works out to 1. Alright? Let me see if I can give you guys one more quickly with the blue marker. I want to move shake, the black and move shaky, guys. Guys, see if we can get it to 1,000 likes now. Let's go and like the video now, guys. Enough people there on it, you know. See if we can get it to 1,000 likes, man. Let's go, let's go. You guys come out today, though. It's our last day. Guys, every day I do this, you know. Every day I have free class, you know. So when you come and rush and I say, do this, do that. Everything on the table, I got you already. This was supposed to be a revision. Try that one, guys. 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus 2y equal 1. What's the value of x? What's the value of y? I can't touch the matrices after this one I ask for. Yeah, man, a serious thing. If you look back on my videos, them, you're going to see everything. Alright, somebody say me I go too quick now. Guys, I don't know what C-set bringing tomorrow. Yeah, man, you can use the substitution method. Any method you want to use, alright? Big up everybody who join. Much love, respect, and thing, alright? She said I wind down now, guys, but I will try and see if I can wake up early tomorrow and go through some stuff. But guys, at the end of the day, you guys know what to do. Up on the channel and you can type in all of the topics where you want. And they are already there. The videos are already there. Somebody say me love likes. Why me do that? Because my students say if somebody like your video, YouTube recommend it to other people. So you know, so only for you to help. So YouTube are going to recommend it to them too. So that's why I love it. Alright, see it? Somebody said recommended me to you. Simple as that. Because because you guys are active in the chat and all that. That's why I do that. So I want to wake up 6 o'clock Jamaica time and go live and just try go through some other stuff. Alright, after this we'll at least go through the matrices tonight though. So again, somebody said me go too fast a while ago. Let me just try and go slower. So what we're doing, we're gonna multiply by, we're gonna get rid of the y again because it have minus and plus. And I know that if the coefficients are the same, I can add it and I get rid of it. Alright? So let's go. So we're gonna multiply this by 2 because 2 ones are 2 and then this by 1. So I'm going to multiply each term, not just the y, but each term by 2. So 2 times 2x, 2 2's, 4, right? And next we're going to multiply 2 times y, which is 2y. And then we say 2 times 7, which is 14. Next, we're going to multiply everything by 1. So 1 times x, x. 1 times negative 2y, negative 2y. 1 times 14 is 1 times 1 rather. I mean I say 14. I guess my eyes catch that. So guys, look closely. You have a positive and you have a negative. So if you put a plus, it will automatically get rid of the y. Alright? So now we have this 4x plus x plus 2y plus minus 2y. And then we have, so we group the like terms. We could go easy upon this. So we group the like terms. That's all we do here. We just rewrite out this. We can only add x and x, y's and y's, and numbers and numbers. But we know say this part now are going to be 4x plus that, which is 5x. Plus this is going to give us 2y minus 2y. Because the positive and negative, and then we have 14 plus 1. So I just want to go as slow as possible. So persons who are not very familiar with it can understand. Let me rewrite this. So we have 5x plus 2y minus 2y plus equal 14 plus 1. Alright? So now we can add. I did something wrong, you know. This is going to become 0. So it's 5x equal 14 plus 1, which is 15. And then we divide by 5. So x is equal to 3. Now that we know x is equal to 3, we substitute it. So it's 2x plus y equal 7. So it's 2. We substitute 3 in there. Equals 7. So plus y equals 7. So y equals 7 minus 6, which is 1. So x is 3 and y is 1. Alright guys, we know everybody tired, but see if we can do a couple simultaneous equation. Somebody say Karen Phillips and another one. Yeah man, that's all you have to do guys. Just keep practicing. Alright? Yeah. You just have to practice. Tomorrow guys you will have a lot of time. As a 9 o'clock exam start. So if you reach school 7 o'clock, you're going to have 1.5 hour. You have to speed up a video you do. Let's look at a couple matrices. I want them to be past papers though. So for those of you who never see it before, it can be a bit tough. Guys, I've done so many videos on all the topics. I think you guys would have checked them out and appreciate them. Let me just find some matrices, past paper. The vectors also are kind of hard now because you have to draw. And this one says calculate. You're going to exam and you see this. Can you do it? Calculate A and B. So let's go. We have A minus 4. These are past papers. We just go straight into it. 1B And then you have 2 minus 4, 1, negative 3, and that equal to 2002. Calculate the values of A and B. Let's go. What's A, what's B? Let's get it to 10K, guys. Let's get it to 10K. Bomba. That's so much people. Come on, man. At 10,000, almost 10,000 people. Come on, guys. Alright, so I say A equal 1, B equal minus 1. I say A equal 2. Let's work it out, guys. When they group like that, it means you should multiply them, alright? And then you work it out. And as someone says, it's rows by column. No panic attack, man. Just relax, guys. Just relax. You got this. A equal 3, B equal 2. Alright, let me explain that one here. So guys, what we're going to do, we're going to arrange it by rows by column. Alright, so it's row by column. So what we're going to do, the first one should be in rows. And the next one should be in columns. So we're going to multiply. Now that's what it means. So it's going to be A times 2, which is 2A. Negative 1 times 4, which is going to be negative 4. Alright, so we're done with row 1 and column 1. So on to row 1. So we're going to use A and negative 4 times this now, which is column 2. So let's go. So A times negative 4, which is negative 4A. And negative 4 times that, which is positive 12. Let's just recap what we did. We multiply row by column. A times 2, 2A. Negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Boom. Then we have A times 4, which is negative 4A. And negative 4 times 3, which is positive 12. So we're done with our row 1 now. We're on to row 2. And row 2 we're using 1b times 2, 1. And then 1b times negative 4 and 3. As I say, I've done this on my channel several times. If you want matrices, you can go topic by topic. Just type in Lennox Bennett, matrices, and you see all the past papers and matrices. Inverse, etc. Alright? So now we have 1 times 2, that is 2. B times 1, which is B. Next, we have 1 times negative 4, which is negative 4. B times 3, which is minus 3b. Remember, all of them is equal to this. So all we're going to do now is to take out the corresponding ones and solve for them. So the first one that we're going to take out is the first position. So it's going to be 2a minus 4, and they say that equal to 2. That's the first equation. Alright, we already take out the a, so we can just take out the b now. Alright, So we have 2 plus b, which is this, and it equal to this, which is equal to 0. So from here we can solve, right? B is actually minus 2, as somebody had pointed out, because we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So that's going to be 0 minus 2. So B is equal to minus 2. Let's look at this for A now. We have minus 4 here, so it's going to be 2A minus 4. So we get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4. So 2A is equal to 2 plus 4, that is 6. And then we divide by 2. So A is actually 3. We didn't have to use for this one, but we could use this one also, but we'd have to equate it to 0. Alright, let's go. So it will be negative 4A plus 12 equals 0. Get rid of the positive 12. Negative 4A is equal to negative 12, because we're going to subtract 12. And then we divide by 4. Negative 4 rather. So A is equal to 3. But that was not quite necessary. Can we do another one, guys? This is worth 4 marks. So who do you have gotten that 4 marks, guys? Somebody say me last year. Why F? Hush, man, hush. Let's do another one and see if we can get it. You have to know how to multiply row by columns though, alright? So guys, the teacher don't go through them something how do you know? Walk on and excuse them, man. Walk on. But guys, I've been doing these on my channel forever, you know. Every minute we do them on my channel, you know. Past papers then. You see, for next year, all of my subscribers them I get straight A. I'm gonna do them early, topic by topic. A mad thing me I'll do next year, mad thing. Alright, let's see if you guys can do that one here. Since as we kind of mess up that one there. This one, find X and Y. Some persons got minus 1 on them something there. No, L and M. Wait guys, that one I look on the wrong something. So it says L and M. These are past papers. L and M are 2 matrices, obviously. And they said L. I've done this recently on, I think on TikTok. 3, 2, 1, 4. And M is equal to negative 1, 3, 0, 2. And they want us to find L plus 2M. So see if you guys can handle this, alright? Let's go, guys. I will not ask the matrices and vectors no man. Come on, we're not going to bed yet. Let's go, let's go. Let's get it up to 10K. And make sure you now subscribe to, you know, guys. A multiple choice did it though. Other subjects did it though. Alright, take a break, take a break. Shut your eye for 2 minutes. Somebody said fix the camera. Oh, he just say L and M or something there. That's all he say up at the top. We can't take no break, guys. Tomorrow exam. I just 2 hours and 30 minutes with the panic final. One exam at 2 hours and 40 minutes. So think about that. You couldn't last with the exam. So what at the top, he just say L and M are 2 matrices. That's all it's saying. Yeah man, like it guys, like it up. Math's not hard man, you just need a lot of work. So guys, for any school you go, just tell the younger generation to subscribe to my channel early. Oh, Woojin say in tablet did. Lamar Kelly say 18. Me say our next person say 18. Of course you can pass. And I one topic make you pass, maths guys. That's what I've been saying all night. Even if you're weak on vectors, just strong up on the other topics them. And I one topic make you pass or fail. You have to know everything. So why you are fretboard? I don't know vectors. Focus on what you know. Get the marks from those. Maximum marks. Make sure you're good for everything else. And everybody have a great for something. Let's go. So we have L plus 2M. So we write back L as it is because it just say L plus, right? So we have 3, 2, 1, 4. And then they say plus 2M. So it's going to be 2 times in M, which is -1, 3, 0, 2. We multiply each by 2. 2 times -1, -2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 0, 0. And 2 2s, 4. And all we do now, we just add in this. And if you're there on my channel, you would have seen me do this already. So now we add 3 plus -1, which is corresponding. So this is the first, right? We match them together. You understand, guys? And then we have 2 match with what? The last one at the end, right? Which is 6. Similarly, 1 match with 0, so it's 1 plus 0. And then 4 matches with what at the end, which is 4 plus 4. Hopefully everybody get this. Now bring it up here, so 3 plus that. Hold on, something alright, you know. It was 3 and -2. 3 match with -2. So you go when you're tired, guys. Alright, so 3 match with -2. May I circle it, which gives us 1. 6 plus 2, which is 8. And 1 plus that, 1. 4 plus 4, 8. And that is the answer. You guys are correct. I think about 6 persons got that. 18. Somebody said what year? I think this was 20. Let me see. This was January. This was January 2012. All of them are past paper, guys. Guys, tomorrow when you're fresh, you can watch back the video, alright? You will get it them timely. So tomorrow, when you're fresh, you can get back, alright? They are not easy. I'm not gonna say they are easy or whatever, you know. But you guys can catch them. If you can't catch it, at least, we still I'll go through some more. So tomorrow, you guys can just skip the video, skip to the good part, and watch them, alright? Now one here is a little bit different. L is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, and N is equal to -1, 3, 0, 2. And this says find L minus N squared. Go ahead and do that, guys. Remember, guys, it's not all about tonight. You can watch the video tomorrow morning too. And remember, only one way we can multiply matrix is row by column. Alright? And guys, just relax in exam tomorrow. You guys got this, alright? You guys got this. Just do your best. You guys are worried about something instead of focus on just practicing. We're not fret about a particular topic. No, and so you do maths. Do your thing now, guys. Stop thinking about what you don't know. Practice them. We are the matrices and not fret about other something. I'm not saying you do maths, man. Do it in front of you now. Practice with in front of you. Let's go. want 300 views more if we make 10K, alright? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go. Alright, so let me see 2 minus 7, 1 and 0. 2 minus 7, I'm writing that somewhere. 2 minus 7, 1 and 0. 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 Alright, everybody I do that, but me see a 4 did it. Somebody say head boy did it in front of me. You know what I'm talking about? 2D say me not understand. Kiss me teeth. Alright, 2D you're just gonna multiply the matrix by the matrix n times n. You cut up the first one in row and the second one in column. And then you subtract L minus n. Let me try and go through it and see. Alright, let's go. So what it is, we're going to be multiplying n by itself rather, n. So this is n, we're going to multiply n by itself. So I could just rewrite this first as negative 1, 0, 3, and 2. And remember, we are multiplied by itself, so it's negative 1, 3, 0. The only way we can multiply matrix is row by column, alright? So if a matrix square, we don't square 1 and square 3, no. Right, but if n in front, L in front of it, which is 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, put a minus sign. So we can focus on multiplying. So negative 1 times 1, that's positive 1. 3 times 0, 0. Hope everybody see that? Row by column. The first row by the first column. Next, first row, second column. Negative 1 times 3, negative 3. 3 times 2, 6. Boom. We're going good so far. Next, we're going to multiply by row 2, which is 0, 2. 0 times 1, 0. 2 times 0, 0. Oh, interesting. Alright. Next, 0 times 3, 0. 2 times 2, 4. And of course, remember if we put this in front of it. 3, 2, 1, 4, and we'll put the minus. So work out that part here. This work out to 1, 3, 0, and 4. And then remember, we add 3, 2, 1, and 4. And we subtract it. So we do the corresponding one. So it's going to be 3 minus 1. So it's the corresponding now. 3 minus 1. 2 matrix 3. So it's 2 minus 3. And then 1. Give 1. 1 and 0. Did you guys get that? Or did you guys not get that? I see where you guys get negative 7, and I'm wondering where you got the negative 7. Alright, somebody said they got that. Let me just do a double check, because you know we are getting tired now with the guys for real, me feel it. Alright, so let me just multiply quickly. Negative 1 times negative 1, 1. 3 times 0, 0. Row 1 done. Row 1, column 1 done. On to row 1, column 2. Negative 1 times 3. Negative 3. 3 times 2, 6. Boom. 0 times 1, 0. 2 times 0, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 2 2s 4. Alright. So now, hold on. So how I get 1 plus 2 equal? Oh, alright, that's what I add. May I look on this instead of. So now we have 1 plus 0, 1, negative 3 plus 6, positive 3, 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 4, 4. So let us do the corresponding one. The first one on the left matches with this. So we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, negative 1. Okay, use a square for this one. 1 minus 0, which is 1. And the final one, 4 minus 4, which is 0. It's correct, it's correct. I know we're a bit tired. I am too. But see if we can go and like the video. In the meantime, let me set that one here, guys. Let's go, let's go. Can you guys solve the simultaneous equation? Let's see. Oh, by the way, guys, inverse. We're not touching all that tonight. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. And guys, more to come back on a video and say, yeah, get something off of it. Or you never get nothing off of it, so I just so you go. So a multiplication here again, but this one also have so what they ask for you to multiply a times b, and they say determine the inverse of b. So you're gonna do ab and then bam, b inverse. Let's go, let's go. Time to wind down, guys. I'm sorry. Let's go though, let's go. Oh, good morning, good morning. Alright, those in Guyana, try to get some rest, guys. Just watch back the playback, alright? Morning, morning, morning. Oh, let's not talk about question. Never understand what you're saying. Second. Alright, Jaya. When you get some rest? When you get some rest? go, guys. Let's go. All right. Confused. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I know it's morning, so so we have a times b, so we're gonna multiply, put a at the front, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 2, 5, and then we have 5, -2, -2, 1. Let's go. So it's gonna be row by column. What did you guys get though? So 1 times 5, that's 5. And 2 times -2, that's -4. 1 times 2, that's -2. 2 times 1 gives us +2. 2 times 5, which is 10. 5 times 2, -10. 2 times that, -4. 5 times 1, which is 5. So in the end, we're going to get 1, 0, 0, 1, which is the identity. Alright? So because this was an inverse of this, that is why we got that. Alright? Alright, let's go. So they asked us to find B inverse, which is this. Now to find the inverse of B, what we're going to do is label it A, B, C, D. Next you say AD minus BC, which is 5 times 1 minus -2 times -2, which is the adjoint. So 5 ones 5 minus 2 times that gives us 4. So that gives us 1. The adjoint is, the determinant is 1, so it's 1 over 1. And we swap this, so this becomes 1, 5, and then 2, 2. And that is our answer for the inverse of B. So look out to question 5, that will be statistics, alright? Look out for the functions them too. Alright, let's see if we can get in one more, guys, before we go. Let's go. And make sure you know about your cumulative frequency curve, alright? Alright, them 7 4 or 5. Let me do one more, me I do. Guys, see if we can get it to 1,000 likes now. We only need 90 more. Yeah, man, go take a sleep, man. If you sleep now stick, just go take a sleep. Check back tomorrow. So go and go only 5, guys. The function's gone already, guys. But we need 10 more likes to get it to 1,000 likes. Yeah, man, I could do that. Let's do that, guys. So in the morning, if a youth want to do some work, YouTube recommend it right away because enough likes it get. Alright, so just do that. Respect. Let's see if we can do one more, 1 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 I want you guys to solve this simultaneous equation by the matrix method. So I want you guys to go ahead and do this, alright? Remember, use the matrix method to solve, alright? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. One more minute. One more minute. And guys, me I could get some rest. Me I get some rest tomorrow. Me try to wake up and do some more work. Yeah, man. So we got over 1,000 likes there, guys. Enough people there see me, you know. Yeah, I put on PDF file because I send me. No things I do. Make up business this without that. But I wanted to get some rest now here. That's another inch because at 12 o'clock. No, I'm too tired tomorrow. Guys, this is gonna be the last one, but hit me up tomorrow, alright? Because I don't want you guys to be too tired. Thanks to the likes, guys. Thanks to everything. Yeah, man, we need some rest. Alright, I'm gonna work it out. Matrix form, right? So every matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So the first thing we're gonna do is to find the determinant, which is AD minus BC. So it's gonna be 5 times the coefficient we are taking. So it's 5 times 1 minus negative 1 times 1, which is this, right? So 5 ones 5 minus negative 1 times that, negative 1. So that works out to 6. So the determinant works out to 6. So let's go. So it's 1 over 6. We're finding the inverse now, you know. We swap the position of A and D. So 1 go up the top, 5 go down there. So this is negative, it becomes positive, and then this becomes negative. And then we also have 9 times 3, which we are going to multiply by the top one at x, the next one at y. So we're going to multiply row by column. So it's 1 times 9, which is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. And remember, we have 1 over 6 here, right? Next, we have negative 9, 1 times 9, which is negative 9. and then 5 times 3, which is 15, and we have our xy. So all we have to do is just simplify this. 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12, negative 9 plus that, which is equal to 6, and then we have 1 over 6, and that gives us xy, which we divide now. It's going to be 12 divided by this, that's x, so x is equal to 12 divided by this 6, and y is equal to 6 divided by 6. So as you can see, x is 2 and y is 1. Alright guys, now I'm going to get some rest now, and we'll definitely link up tomorrow. Let me see the answer. Yes, so you have to find the inverse and then you times it. And a 1.5, osh. Paper no leak nothing, man. That's the have to come upon the media. No paper no leak. Them only make that happen. People are saying me have the paper, so you must know say I'm madness that. So guys, we're gonna end the live. I will see you guys tomorrow definitely, alright? Thanks to everyone who come out. James inside. So get some rest now, guys. Get some rest. It's pretty late. Get some rest. I'm gonna do the same and we can touch back tomorrow. Good luck to everyone. So guys, see you guys soon, alright? Guys, everything when I ask for it, dip on it. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can find it back tomorrow, alright? I try to wake up like at least 6 o'clock Jamaica time. And just at least that will give us 2.5 hours. We can do some work. So big up everybody, stay safe. And do your best tomorrow. Do your best. You guys got this. Enough respect to you guys tomorrow. Enough respect, enough love. Five o'clock I got steep because we not get much rest. But we try, me try. I need to end it now so I can charge up my device and come on, alright? Alright, somebody said, Brown saying learn a lot. Alright, good. Awesome. Well, anyone you prepare for, you know, that's the easier one. But if you're not prepared for it, then it's not easy. No man, City and Guild is different. You have to sign up different fee. No man, no problem guys, no problem. Thanks to everybody who reach out. Me have a headache in the early, you know, but me still pull through and come online. So guys, ensure say you subscribe so you can find back the channel, alright? You know one can find that gold mine here. So guys, stay tuned, alright? We link up tomorrow. Peace. This is Zanks Benita. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.